Welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, you'll find out how you can add AI generated captions on your Instagram Reels from within the Instagram app. If you want to add captions on your Reels or Shorts that you want to post up on Instagram, but you don't want to use any third-party applications, that's not an issue anymore. You can use the inbuilt Instagram editor in order to get the AI generated captions, and this is how you can do it. First of all, go onto your Instagram and click on the plus option in order to post a new video. Select the video that you want to post, and the next thing you need to do is click on edit from the bottom left corner. That will open up the in-app Instagram editor. What you need to do now is from the bottom options you need to scroll and find the captions option. You need to click on it and Instagram will start analyzing your video and get speech to text out of it. Once it's done, you'll see that the text or the captions are now generated. You can also edit the captions if you want. You can cut the captions or edit it however you want. Once you're done with all that, just click on done and you'd be easily able to post the video by adding a caption, tagging any person you want, or just adding any music if you want to. Click on share and your post will be shared with auto-generated captions within the Instagram app. That is how you can easily create AI-generated captions on your videos that you want to post on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this video and want to see more social media tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.